Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to do the daily dark pool whisper for August 1st. I can't believe it's August 1st, but it is. Yesterday was record breaking. Hope you guys took some of those trades yesterday. 65% gains. This is definitely my all-time record in one day. We hit 71 targets, and the reason we did that, earnings season and the Fed. So thank you for that amazing volatility. I hope you guys got a couple of those trades. Even if you just got one, it was a great day for you. So if you did not, we have so many whispers this morning. So let's get started. We'll get started with the SPY. So right now we are below the real-time prints that we have been getting lately on the SPY. We had a whole bunch of them above us. But the dark pool level I am watching, 294.12. Yep, that is a key level if we do start to move down. Yep, watch 294. We just have not gotten any big levels recently. So we're going to be bullish above 299.50. Yeah, there's not too much of a retracement. I mean, we might go up above 298 to about 298.78. There's like a little trade in here, but only if we really break above the 8. I see a bigger move on the downside if we break below 297.50. There's a lot of room to go down. No traffic there. So watch those levels. We'll go to the E-minis. Bullish above 29.91. There's a little bit more room for retracement trade on the E-minis, but bearish below 29.80. We are below the 4 and the 8 EMA. The 4 cross below the 8. So bearish below 29.80. Watch that level moving down. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell's been the strongest out of all the indexes, but still up thrusted yesterday. So today we're going to be bullish above 157.57 and bearish below 156.48. Let's go to the QQQs. Bullish above 193, and again, that is above the 8 EMA. And we're going to be bearish below 191.25. There's room to go down there. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. The NQ. Bullish above 7,900 and bearish below 78.60. Yeah, watch that level. And you can see on this 5-minute chart, we did come down to the 200 simple moving average. That's a very good moving average to have on your 5-minute chart. If you don't have that, you can actually see the volume coming in, right? As we've touched down there, that's just, confidence that these moving averages, these computers are buying there. So if we do break below there, right, look out below for the NASDAQ futures. Oil futures bullish above 58. And bearish below 57.60. We just broke below that, by the way. We had pre-market volume at 57.84, so we are below that. All right, only if we break above 58 will I turn bullish on oil futures today. Gold is where it's at right now on the bear side. We've been rocking it in boot camp. A lot of my traders were short this overnight. The whisper yesterday on GDX was great. And we're only going to be bullish above 14.25. So again, we could have some wild moves, but we have to break above this 8 on the gold futures for me to get bullish again. Right now, there is a bear trade down to the 50 simple moving average. So bear below 14.15. We are just hitting that right now. Okay, let's go to individual stocks. AMD was a great whisper yesterday after earnings. Today has a lot of volume as well. 31 was a really big level. We did spot some buyers there for a short period of time, and then they didn't want to buy anymore. So we were bearish below that, but below 30.40 this morning. Bullish only above 31.20. We got to break above here for me to put my bull hat on again. So let's go to GDX. And we have a lot of volume on this and really great on the short side. Bearish below 26 if you're not in this already. Watch that 26 level. The first time we hit there, there should be some buyers. but the second test, and you can see it. See this? Ooh, look at where the buyers are loaded up here. So they're loaded up at 26, and 25.46 is a massive buyer. Is he real? I don't know. We'll know when he gets there. Yep, when we get there, we'll put up the book and see if he's still there. There's a huge seller at 26.88. So you know what? Just gonna know. I may change my level here. Seeing this guy, I'm gonna change it. Yep, I gotta go with it. I'm gonna be bullish above 27. All right, and let me just change this. Yep, because this guy wasn't there before. So bullish above 27, and my target will be 27.20 and 27.50. All right, yep. Watch these two guys. In fact, I'm going to put on here buyer at 25.46, ARCA book. So now you know when I put this here what I'm talking about. And seller at 26.88 ARCA. Yeah, it's going to be key. See if they're spoofing. Spoofing means that they're not real. When they start to take it down there, they move it lower and lower. Or if they move it up, they move their offer up and up. So that's huge. Okay, let's move on to FIT. I don't normally trade stocks that are under $5, but it had earnings and major volume this morning. So bullish only above 364, bearish below 340. We are coming down to that 340 level. There is a big buyer at 322 on the book. Let me put that in here. All right, let's go to Qualcomm. Qualcomm had earnings. And I love these gap down stocks because is it going to be a drop and drop or a drop and pop? And so we're going to be bullish above 69 for a retracement trade. Okay, up to 71.21 possibly. But we'll just take it one level at a time and see where the volume comes in. 70 is huge. You definitely want to take profit at 70. I don't see anybody big. Let's see. Oh, yeah, 68.90. There is a seller there right now. So, yep, bullish above 69. All right, so that still holds. Bearish below 67.50. If it starts to come down again, then there's a lot of room to go down to 65. All right, so those are your key levels for Qualcomm. Now, you guys had a lot of volume this morning. You guys is crazy to trade, so UNG is my favorite, and it's already moving. Bullish above, look at that, 1962. Hope you guys on the Java Pit took this one this morning. You pre-market bandits. We've already started moving up. Pretty much, we hit all my targets already. No, all right, let me map out some new ones. We're hitting the 50 simple moving average right now. Yeah, so there's gonna be some sellers there. So I'm gonna have to put a whole new trade in here for you. So bullish above 20.25 and target 20.37 and 20.50. And this thing doesn't move too fast, but there was so much volume on UGAS this morning that I had to put it in the whisper. So those are some new trade setups. And now we'll have to be bearish below 20. Let me just change this. And this will be a retracement trade. So hold on a sec. You know, this happens. We definitely have a lot of pre-market volatility in 1950. So that would be my retracement trade for you. Okay, let's move on to silver. Silver is really slow, so I have two trade setups for you on silver and AG, which we had a big sell print right before the Fed. Posted that yesterday. People know things and they definitely trade. We've seen that so many times. So bullish above 1506, and this will be a retracement trade back up to resistance. And bearish below 1487, and this will be a bear trade down for you for SLV. Let's go to AG. This moves definitely faster. Yeah, my traders love trading. First Majestic Silver. So bullish above 925 for a retracement trade and bearish below 9. The print yesterday was 975. So if we were to end up going above 975, closing above that, very bullish. That's when I want to swing it long. But until then, they were selling or until we get new prints. All right, Verizon had earnings. And we're going to be bullish above 56.37. That's above the 8. Yeah, we really need to break above that for me today. Bearish below 55.50. There is a trade to the downside for Verizon. Beyond, the bad boy. Rock this one on the short side overnight with those puts. Good job, bad boy. Yeah, so they have some competition. Burger King using the Impossible Burger. Well, we're just going to go with the price action. And it's bearish. Whenever the 4 crosses below the 8 on a daily chart, bearish negative momentum. If you haven't gotten my book yet, darkpoolsecrets.com, it's free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. I talk all about this. And if you haven't gotten the app yet, go to the Apple Store, go to the Google Play Store, search Dark Pool 2 words and download the app. Every day I'm mapping out these trades for you. Beyond, nice trade on that. If you're not in it, we're going to be bullish above 180. That's a major level. $5 increments are always the strongest. Bearish below 175, and we just hit it. Now, when I mapped this trade out this morning, this is what I saw. We came down right to 175 and bounced. So there's always going to be buyers there. You can even see the volume spike here. All right, but the second time around, after 25 minutes, a retest, no more buyers, and down she went. So still watch that level, but great lesson there. Let's go to MU. I have a lot of whispers this morning. Oh boy. MU, bullish above 46 and bearish below 44.50. Really key level. So retracement trade or a trade all the way back down again. Let's go to Apple. Apple was a great whisper yesterday. We had that really big print as well. And we're going to be bullish above 216. And we could retrace to that print at about 217. But we're going to be bearish below 212.50 for Apple today. SunPower had earnings. SPWR. Wow, a lot of people are buying solar panels. This is a huge gap up. So are we going to gap and go bullish above 1420? And or are we going to pop and drop? Bearish below 1350 for a drop. So these are the levels, gap and go, pop and drop. WDC also had earnings, a lot of volume this morning. For Western Digital, we're going to be bullish above 56.75 and bearish below 55.25. WLL, yeah, this stock has been getting hammered. The chart is really ugly. Yeah, it's been not a good picture for this company. And so we're going to watch these levels. Bullish above 14 for retracement. And there was a seller there at $13.99 and bearish below $13.25. All right, there's a trade down for WLL. GM, we had a big print yesterday. Somebody definitely knew something ahead of earnings. We're going to be bullish above 41.62 from right here. We're at 41.25 right now. And bearish below 41.25, which we're hitting right now. Big spread. So wait for the market to open. And Twitter, not an easy one to trade, but I had to put this on the whisper. A lot of volume this morning. Bullish above 43, bearish below 42.18. There you have it. Those are your whispers of the day. Until tomorrow, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my